In this section, we shall show you how you can configure your system. So after setting up your account and give you your logins, the next thing is to make your account be exactly how you want it, or to update the school information so it can be correct and accurate to exactly how you want it. So how do you do that? So if you want to change account of your school at any time, you just simply come here. In the bottom you'll find system admin. If you click there, and this is only accessed by system administrators, you'll be able to find system configuration. So go ahead and click on system configuration. I'll be able to find the basic information of your system or of your school. So go ahead and click on edit here. All right, click on action, then edit. Then you'll be able to see the details section where you can update your account information. So if your school name was not typed properly by us, so if your school name has slightly changed, you can come and change it from here. You can enter there your school motto. You can attach your school badge. You can be able to change your PO box. You can be able to change the school details. For example, the details about your school. You can be able to add it here. You can bold, you can highlight, you can underline, you can align, you can even add tables and images in this section about your school. Then you can go ahead and update your school contacts or your school phone numbers. You can put them here. And then if your school has more than phone number, you can put another one here. If your school has a PO box, you can go ahead and put it here. And then you go ahead and put your school email address. So this information is the one that will be appearing on your school document that will be generated by this system in the header section. Here you enter your school primary color. So here are the colors. You can pick from here, or you can, if you know the color code, you can type and put it here. Then you go ahead and enter the welcome message, at the login page. What do you want to show there on the login page? You can design that message or format that content that you want to display in the login page and put it here. Now this system has the SMS engine. So if you want to enable the SMS engine, you just say yes. If you don't want to enable it, if you want to disable it, you can say no. You can put here the head teacher's name, so that when the document that will be generated by school can be appearing, it can be appearing with those documents that are generated by school. The head teacher name, you can put it there. Then you can put here the head teacher signature. For example, the report cards, if the head teacher chooses the head teacher signature to appear on the report cards from the system, you can attach it from here. You can attach the head teacher signature. You can attach the bursar's signature at this level, so that the receipt that will be generated from the system should be coming with the signature. You just simply click here and then you browse the signature photo. It should be with a white background and written in the pen, and then submit it. So next time when you generate a document, the system comes with that signature attached on. So that's how you can update your system, or you can update the information about your school and then go ahead and submit here. That's how you update. So another thing you can change, so that's how I update the information. So another thing, you can update the document templates. For example, the admission letter. If you want to change the admission letter, in the wordings, the appearance, just simply come here to admission and then click on edit. All right. So you can find here the keywords. For example, if you want the student name to be replaced, you can just paste this keyword as how it is here, copy it, and then paste it here. So you'll find there a template. All right, you find there a template that we have designed for you that I think is right. So you can, if you want to make some changes, so when you click on the print admission letter, it should come with different information. You can come and make those changes from here. So if you want to enable the header to become the admission letter to come with the header, you just enable it from here. Or if you don't want it to come with a header, you just disable it from here. So it will be generated without a header. If you want the admission letter to come with the watermark of the badge in the background, you can enable it here or disable it from here. So that's how you can configure the admission letter, and then you click on submit to change. You can find the not active students. Those are the OBs and OGs. You can find them here. And you can find all employers, those who have left the school and those who are still in school. You can find them here in this section of all employers. You can find students. You can export the photos of all students from here under student administration. You can be able to export the photos of students in a zip format. Yeah, so that is how you can manage your school. So after getting your school logins, please go ahead and set these things so that the document that will be generated by school will be relevant to the information that you'll have put here. In the next training in this video, we're going to show you how you can manage employers. How can you add there your teachers, teaching and non-teaching staff? How can you manage them? That's what you shall be doing in the next lecture or in the next training video. So see you in the next training video.